How much does a voice agent actually cost? Go looking and one site says 5 cents a minute, and the next one says $3,000 a month, and a third one just tells you to contact their sales team. The number you see first is never the one you end up paying, partly because these tools do pretty different things. So we went through every major platform, Vapi, Retell, Synthflow, Bland, and our own CloudTalk, to show you what you get and where the money goes. Most of the platforms you'll run into are what I'd call build-it-yourself tools, and it really helps to know what that means before you start comparing prices. An AI voice agent isn't a single product, it's 4 pieces working together: something to turn the call of speech into text, an AI model to work out what to say, a voice to say it back, and a phone line to carry the call. These platforms hand you these pieces plus the software to connect them, then charge you by the minute, usually for each piece separately, and they assume you've already got a phone system to run it on and someone technical to write it all up. That's why the low headline price is almost never the real one. So the lineup. Vapi is the rawest and most flexible of them, the ones developers pick when they want to control every layer themselves. The site says 5 cents a minute, but it only covers the software connecting the pieces, so a real call lands between 15 and 13. Retell is more of a drag and drop builder, low latency and good post-call analytics, SOC 2 and HIPAA built in. And you pay for that polish, around 7 cents advertised and closer to 13 to 30 cents all in. Synthflow goes fully no code with ready-made templates for booking, voicemail, and routing that get you live in under an hour, which makes it an agency favorite. It works out to roughly 11 to 24 cents. And Bland is the heavy-duty one, running its own models for high-volume outbound and that eerily real voice cloning. It switches to a monthly plan, $2.99 or $4.99, plus 11 to 14 cents a minute on top. And across all of them, watch the small charges that never make the homepage. A fee when a call fails, a charge to reach a human, a couple of cents per text. Small alone, but they stack up over a busy month. Now, every one of those assumes you actually want to assemble the thing yourself. If you'd rather not, that's where we come in. The difference is CloudTalk isn't a piece you bolt onto a phone system. It is the phone system with the AI agent already built in. So the number you see covers everything: the agent, the dialer, the CRM sync, and the calling itself. No code and nothing to wire together. It's $3.50 a month for 1,000 minutes, or a plan from $19 per user. Not the cheapest sticker on the shelf, and I won't pretend it is, but it's one predictable bill instead of a stack of separate charges and a month-end surprise. None of those numbers mean much on their own though. The comparison that matters is what you'd pay a person for the same work. Offshore, a human agent runs $8 to $14 an hour. In the US, closer to $26. Let's call it 50 cents to $1.50 a call. Once you add wages, training, and a manager. An AI agent handles those routine calls for about 70% less. And that gap is the whole reason this category exists. So all in one place, the build-it-yourself tools or charge by the minute once you've assembled them. Vapi around 15 to 30 cents. Retell 13 to 30 cents. Synthflow 11 to 24, and the Bland adds a $2.99 or $4.99 monthly plan on top of its 11 to 14 cent rate. A human agent runs $8 to $26 an hour, and CloudTalk's the whole phone system and the AI in one bill. $3.50 for 1,000 minutes, or a plan from $19 a user. So the takeaway is simple: stop reading the headline numbers and start adding up the layers underneath. Because once you do, most of the cheap options stop looking cheap. If you want your own real number, there's a free trial link below, no credit card requirements, run a free real calls, and watch what actually lands on the bill. If this video saved you from a nasty invoice, hit the like button and subscribe. We break this stuff down every single week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.